Hello, I am Miss Frankie and we are going to talk about equivalent fractions on a number line. After today's lesson, students will be able to represent equivalent fractions on a number line. The purpose for this lesson is to understand fractions as a number and be able to represent them on a number line. Okay, so first we're going to talk about what the numerator and denominator mean. So the numerator is the top number, and that's the number of pieces in the whole. And the denominator is the bottom number, and that is the total pieces that make up the whole. So if we were to draw a picture of this, we would draw 4 pieces for the total amount, and then we would color in 1 piece for the piece that we have of the whole. So now that we know the meaning of 1/4, we're going to plot it on a number line. So we're going to make a space for 0, and then since there's 4 total pieces, we're going to make 4 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the fourth one is going to be 4 out of 4, or 1. So then 1 less than that would be 3 out of 4, and 1 less than that would be 2 out of 4, and 1 less than that would be 1 out of 4. So since we're plotting the 1/4, we're going to put a dot right on the 1/4. So now we're going to look at plotting equivalent fractions. And we know that these two fractions are equivalent because if you draw them out, you're going to draw both the wholes the same amount because they're both out of a whole. And the first one we're going to make 1/2. So since there's 2 total pieces, we're going to make 2 pieces, but we only have 1 of them, so we're going to just color in 1. And then for the second fraction, we have 3 out of 6, so there's 6 total pieces. And we're just going to color in 3 because we only have 3. And from the pictures, you can tell that both of these amounts are equal. Now we're going to put both of these fractions on the number line. So I'm going to use blue for the 3/6, so we're going to have a 0 space. And then since we have 6 total pieces, we're going to draw 6 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 out of 6, or 1. And then 1 less than that would be 5 out of 6. 1 less than that would be 4 out of 6. 1 less than that would be 3 out of 6. And then 2 out of 6. And then 1 out of 6. So now we're trying to plot 3 out of 6. So we know that that's right here. Right on 3 out of 6. And then now we're going to plot 1/2. So those are only 2 pieces. So we're going to have to make those equal amounts. So your total would be here. So that's your 2 out of 2. And then the 1 would be right in the middle between the 0 and the 2 out of 2. So that would be right here in the middle. And that's 1/2. And then we're going to plot 1/2, which is right in the same spot. So these fractions are equivalent, but you can see how it takes a different amount to get there because of the total in the whole. That's how to plot equivalent fractions. Thank you for watching.